Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your phone. So here is a Bluetooth speaker for a little karaoke machine. And I want to connect this, so let's scroll on down from the top. And we can simply just hold down on Bluetooth right here. And it'll show the option. So what we want to do, if that doesn't work, if you don't see that, we can just go to settings and either go to connected devices on your Google Pixel, but on your Samsung go to connections. And you'll see Bluetooth on the top here. We can just hold down on here. Now you have to hit scan on the top, and a lot of these speakers you just have to turn them on. They'll automatically go to the Bluetooth mode, like this one.
Power on, Bluetooth mode.
And then it should show up on here. It's called the P12, some random name. So we can just pair it now.
Bluetooth connected.
There it is, it's connected now. Now if that doesn't turn on the Bluetooth mode, you might have to hit like the M button. That could be like mode. There could be a specific Bluetooth button on here. And you just have to press that down. Once you figure out how to get it into the Bluetooth pairing mode, you can just come here and now it's connected. We can hit this button right here and we can go to on pair if we don't want it on here anymore.
Bluetooth disconnected.
So it's disconnected now and we can connect another device to it. And then we can turn it off. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below.